Can you imagine? On a peaceful morning, thousands of duck eggs, pure white, still kissed with morning dew, are gently gathered from cozy straw nests, carefully arranged in the hands of farmers. This isn't a giant industrial factory. This is a symphony of nature, a place where tens of thousands of ducks roam freely across fields, along ponds and lakes, under open skies where grass, water, and clouds become one. And from that natural free-range model, millions of duck eggs are produced each year, not only sustaining a region but reaching far beyond into vast markets. Today, join us as we step deep inside a large-scale duck egg farm to uncover the entire magical journey, from the birth of a duck to the moment its egg reaches your hands. From the horizon, the first rays of sunlight shimmer across the still waters, as thousands of ducks waddle out to the fields, creating a vibrant soundscape like an overture for a brand new day. Here, in a riverside rural village, over 20,000 egg-laying female ducks find their home, not confined in tight cages, but living under the shade of trees, on the water's surface, and along natural embankments. A truly special farm, where nature and modern agricultural techniques are beautifully intertwined. The duck rearing process begins, with tiny ducklings, fluffy, golden, chirping like a cheerful little choir in their brooding area. During their first 3-4 weeks, they are kept warm and fed a high-protein diet to promote rapid growth. After about a month, the ducklings are moved to a semi-free range area with pastures, mudflats, and small canals. This is where they train their natural instincts, swimming, foraging, and adapting to the open environment. By the 5th month, ducks reach reproductive age. The farm selects and retains only the healthiest females, those with glossy feathers, agile movements, and a strong appetite. From this point on, the life of these hens becomes tied to one special mission: producing eggs. Every morning, thousands of ducks follow their familiar paths from the coops to the free-range fields, along pond banks, post-harvest rice paddies, or wide grasslands near lakes. This natural ecosystem becomes a rich source of food: snails, insects, small fish, plant roots, and aquatic algae. What's unique about this model is its ability to reduce industrial feed costs while enhancing egg quality. Yolks become richer, thicker, and more nutritious. At the end of each day, the ducks waddle back to their coops, almost down to the exact minute, like clockwork. Around 4 to 5 a.m., while dew still clings to the grass, duck herders begin their most important task of the day, egg collection. Inside the coops, thousands of hens have completed their mission overnight. Each straw nest typically holds 1-2 pristine white eggs, laid out in perfect rows. Farmers gather the eggs by hand, carefully and rhythmically, placing them into large baskets. After being washed, the eggs are loaded onto an automatic conveyor system for sorting by weight, shell brightness, and cleanliness. Each day, the farm can harvest between 10,000 to 20,000 eggs. During peak spring season, that number can soar to nearly 30,000 eggs a day. After sorting, the eggs are stored in cold rooms at a stable temperature of 12 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. A small portion is processed upon order to become salted or century eggs. The majority are packaged into plastic trays or carton boxes, labeled with traceability information, and distributed to supermarkets, wholesale markets, or major restaurants. This model not only generates billions of BND in annual profit but also ensures food safety through a closed-loop system that meets HACCP standards. But the story of these eggs isn't just about numbers or profits. It's about a farming model in harmony with nature, maximizing local resources, minimizing emissions, and enhancing food quality. Every quack is a heartbeat of life. Every egg collected at dawn is the product of a resilient ecosystem, where humans and nature work together to create value. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring journeys from farm to table.